Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can zoom the timeline in Davinci Resolve 18. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Davinci Resolve 18. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go ahead and click on File. After that, click on Import and then click on Media. You can also click on Ctrl plus I on your keyboard in order to do that. So once you click on Media, choose the video that you want to add, click on it, and then go here and click on Open. Once the video is added right here, drag it to the timeline and it will be added to the timeline. Once it's here in the timeline, go ahead and click on the Edit section. So now if you want to zoom in this timeline, all you need to do, guys, is hold the control button on your keyboard and then scroll up or down with your mouse. So this is the easiest way. If you scroll up, you will zoom in, and if you scroll down, you will zoom out. There is another way in order to zoom in or out from the timeline is using this little slider right here. So if you drag it to the right, you're gonna zoom in, or if you drag it to the left, you're gonna zoom out. But before you zoom in or out, you need to choose where you want to zoom in using this tool. So wherever you click, you're gonna zoom to that place. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.